Merry Christmas, friends. A couple of quick breakfasts to help you have a stress-free, easy Christmas to spend with your family. First up, we have French toast. Absolutely one of the most simple breakfasts you can make. I'm using my made from scratch sourdough and combining it with my chicken eggs from my very own chickens. Of course, you don't need your own made from scratch bread or your own chicken eggs to do this. Anything from your local market will do. Just combine it with a little bit of vanilla and cinnamon. Cook it in a nice hot skillet and then top it with whatever your favorite syrup is. I'll be using my made from scratch apple syrup. This was so good, and I was so pleased to know where every single ingredient came from. Using the rest of that sourdough up so nothing goes to waste, I cubed it up. Then I combined it with eggs, a can of condensed milk, lots of brown sugar and cinnamon and vanilla, and raisins. I buttered my dish up and I let that set overnight in the refrigerator. The next morning, I baked that on 350 for about 30 to 45 minutes, keeping a careful eye on it to make sure it didn't scorch. This was so delicious, warm, and comforting, and such a great way to use up bread that was going slightly stale. I would say make this Christmas morning because you can fix it the night before, and then all you need to do is pop it in the oven while you're having your Christmas festivities, and you'll have an absolutely delicious breakfast ready for your family. And you can do all the wonderful family time Christmas activities without getting stressed out. This was wonderful. Everyone. So we have let our bread pudding soak overnight. It's looking nice. I'm going to bake this at 350 for probably an hour. Check it periodically. It should set up nice and firm. And it'll be so delicious. I want to introduce you to Lewis. Lewis, this is everyone. These are my friends. He is a tuxedo Tom that I found at the place where I work. He's a half-grown kitten. His first vet appointment is today, and he has come to join our family. He's extremely good boy, well-behaved, very affectionate, and he fits right into the family. He loves the dog. He loves Moo, our other kitten, and we're happy to have him. This will be the last pet we add to the family, though. But here he is. This is Lou.
Put the flag up here.